What if the stars could whisper? And she listened. At 14, Lucia saw men on rooftops, and something inside her ignited. In a dusty observatory, she cleaned by candlelight, pretending not to study the charts. Each night, she lingered longer. One screw tightened, one lens polished. In that moment, Galileo saw not youth but potential, burning brighter than the stars behind her. One evening, she leaned toward the brass telescope. Her breath held. Through the lens, the stars shifted cities, temples, ruins she'd only heard in whispers. With every crack of lightning, the world felt her courage take shape. Galileo once said the universe favors the bold, and her heart dared to answer. Her light swept across stone, revealing markings not for kings, but for those the world forgot. The galaxy swirled before her, endless, alive. Galileo's hands lingered as he passed her the map. No words, just trust. The map was a promise. In her hands, the stars felt closer than ever. Under the moon's gaze, she adjusted the lens. Galileo watched, not correcting, just trusting. She stood tall. That night, the map matched the sky perfectly. Later, she walked alone with a glowing paper lantern. She twirled beneath rising lights. The observatory lifted, scattering books, charts, and memories into the stars. Between them, the map floated galaxies swirling in golden light. Her shawl shimmered with constellations. Her name became a star. The sky never forgets. And when one story ends, another begins.